Hi guys, I am Vinay and I completed my graduation from EC stream in the East Point Institute of Technology, and I joined JSpider in the month of August. Within 3 months I got placed in a company called Arteria Technologies Private Limited with a package of 2.6 LPA for the first 6 months, and there will be a hike based on my performance. And coming to my faculties of Hebbal JSpiders, they taught us all the required skills for the company very well, which helped to crack my interview. And the grooming classes which they take before going to interview also, it helped me a lot in cracking this interview. And I would thank each and every faculty of these JSpiders and the HR team members who added me to this requirement. And I suggest everyone to join this JSpider Hebbal branch for 100% placement. Thank you.